Hi everybody and welcome. Today I am in the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily manage your forms using PHP. As you can see, now we are in the file which is called forms training. Create yourself a file and let's get started. At first let's do something like that with the shift 1 and enter. This is a great shortcut for doing a simple HTML thing, and we can leave it as it is and let's enter body. Now let's do a simple form, simple hard reset.info form, and now let's do the form. Here, as you can see, if we open the form tag, we have the action. We have to enter here the name of our file, which is forms.training.php, or leave it the hash. If we leave here the hash thing, I will automatically refer to our file, which is the forms.training.php. The action thing is to if we want to refer to any other file with the data from our form. So let's put it forms training.php. Now let's go into form here, and here we do have let's for example add input, type text, name, username, and ID will be for example the username too. Now let's add a label before that to add the text, username, enter the username, and let's save that. And here we will have the password or age, something like that. Doesn't really matter actually. Label for age, for example. Enter enter your age, and here we can switch the to your. You can do whatever form you want. I will just show you the basics of the form, so you don't have to copy from me. Age, ID, age, and now we can add some breaklines to this. Breakline, and here breakline 2. Breakline 2, and here breakline 2. Button type submit, because we want to submit our form. Button type equals submit. Here send data. That's it from this form. Now let's get the data from this form. So let's do the open the PHP tag, close it. And now we have to start by opening the if statement. We want to protect us from starting the script before entering the data. So let's do if is set, and now we have to take the username here and age here. We want to check if the variable of username is set and variable of age is set. So if it's set $post, because we want to use the post method in our form, and here username. Apart from that, we have to do this ampersand here, and is set the func method, and here $floor post age. Now we can open the curly brackets, and now we have our things protected. We now can assign the things to our variables, etc. But before entering the whole process, we have to enter the form tag here and enter method equals post, because it's the easiest one to learn at first. Now we can do something like that to assign our variable, things from here to variables to easily manage them. Let's create a variable with the $sign and the name of the variable. So username equals. Now we have to assign this thing from here to this. $post username here, and $age equals $post age here. Now we are all done when it comes to variables. We don't need to do anything right now, and now we can actually do what we want with this data. We can write them on our website, use them to login credentials and something like that. So at first, for example, to manage this data, let's check if the user is over 18 or under 18. So here we can add echo to welcome the user, welcome here dot and username. We can just use it as simple data if we created something like that. User equals AAA. This is the same. Don't forget about semicolons here, because I'm constantly forgetting that and it kills me from inside. Now let's do the if statement. If $age is over under 18 or equals under 18, and if you don't know how to do the if statements, check out room because we have a video for that. And ampersand's $age is less, is more than 0. I mean, let's do echo. You do have access to this website, and yeah, thus we can manage this data. If you want to, for example, do the if we don't want to give the access, give the access, we have to do the else. We can do some ifs here too, but we don't really want to. Echo, you do have the access to this website. My mistake here, we when we are under 18 or more than 0, we have to you don't have the access to this website. Now let's delete this from here. And yeah, that's it. That's the whole if statement. Now let's check if it works. So let's move to the website on our web browser. Here, as you can see, I do have localhost / HardReset website / form training PHP, and here enter username HardReset.Info and age 32. Send data. Welcome HardReset.Info. You do have the access to this website. Let's do, for example, here dot and here a break line to make the info clear, crystal clear. Welcome HardReset.Info. You do have access to this website. Now let's check what will happen if we enter some other age, for example 3. You don't have access to this website, and that is how we can easily manage the forms. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.